Hi Ultimate Gardeners, before we enter this exciting video, I'm really excited to showcase to you guys. I want to go ahead and give a huge announcement that I'm going to be attending the Great Grow Along event. Why, you may be asking, what is this event and what is this about? This event is where all gardeners in this industry are going to get together and learn more about each other and learn a lot more about gardening. There's multiple different categories that is going to be going on in this event. So there's a lot of presentators, you guys, and I'm really excited. 3 of my favorite gardeners, you guys, will be presenting on this event. Epic Gardening, HortTube, and Cali Kim 29 are all presentators here on this event, and I'm really excited, you guys. No, I'm not a presentator. I will be an attendee, not a presentator. Huge disclosure, you guys. So I want to join you guys to join us to this amazing event. More details on this event will be down below in the description box below. There'll be a link where you guys can click and learn more about who's presenting, which categories, and when will it start. So please, if possible, join us on this event, and I can't wait to see all of you guys there. Thank you guys so much. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this. Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an ultimate gardener. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'll be showing you guys 7 different plants that I'm excited to grow this spring season. So if you want to know a few details on them and the plants we're showcasing today, please stay tuned with us. So guys, coming at number 1 is the Pink Sky Petunia from the Miracle-Gro company. For you guys to not be concerned and to know this is the real thing, here's the Miracle-Gro official container and the tags attached to the plant. I had to pot them up in a 3-gallon container because the roots were crazy in here, so I wanted to give it a bit more space. So this is the Pink Sky Petunia from the Miracle-Gro company, you guys. Me and my cousin went to go ahead and go to the nursery to go ahead and pick out a few plants that we liked. I'll leave his channel up here for you guys to check out. Go subscribe to him, go show him some support, as well as his links are down below for you to check out. He does gaming, and if all of your kids or some of your kids like gaming, go check it out. So the Pink Sky Petunia is a wonderful petunia, you guys. Looks like artists went ahead and like splattered white paint on it because it literally looks like that, you guys. Of course, I'll be providing a few pictures here and there for the petunias or the plants that we provide today for you guys to get a closer look, and so you guys can have a taste on what you guys want to plant this spring. So once again, this called is the Pink Sky Petunia. This is an annual, but here in FL we are a bit more lucky because our temperatures do not drop below 30s, even though we do not recommend, all of us gardeners do not recommend to plant annuals in 30-degree weather because that could kill off your petunias instantly. But here in FL, I'm able to winter them over because of how high our temperatures are during the winter season. So that's a great advantage of here living in FL. So the thing I have to do when planting a petunia is I have to keep it in a shaded area and well water it because our extreme weather could completely kill out our petunias. So I want to give it the best opportunity to grow amazing for us. So this has to be planted in a shaded area and watered well. So once again, Pink Sky Petunia. Let's move on to the second plant. So guys, coming at number 2 is the Pink Hearts Petunia from the Miracle-Gro company. So this petunia is such a unique petunia. A little story behind how we found this one is that when me and my cousin went to go check the plants out and chose our favorites, we saw this one and we thought it was just a regular pink and white striped petunia. But once I looked at the tag, you guys, that's when I saw pink hearts, and then I had to look closely at the flowers to see that there's actual pink hearts forming in the petunia. I'll be leaving a photo up for you guys to have an understanding of why it's called pink hearts. Once again, the details on the petunia has to be planted in a shaded area, well watered, and fertilized once a month because these petunias really need it in Florida especially. So once again, this is called the Pink Hearts Petunia from the Miracle-Gro company. Let's move on to plant number 3. So guys, coming at number 3 is the Broad Street Coleus from the Miracle-Gro company. So this is such a unique Coleus, you guys. In all 7 years I have been in this industry, I have never seen a Coleus like this one, so I had to grab it for my garden. A few details on this Coleus is that it has to be planted in a part sun, part shaded area here in FL because once again, our extreme heat could kill these off in an instant. These have to be well watered and fertilized once every 2 months because Coleus could grow big without or with fertilizer. So that's the great thing about Coleus. Once again, this is called the Broad Street Coleus from the Miracle-Gro company. Now let's move on to plant number 4. So guys, coming at number 4 is La Rambla Coleus from the Miracle Grow company. You guys, I love this creative name, such a creative name, and creative Coleus, you guys. This is such a unique Coleus, really curly leaves, and veining is the broad burgundy, you guys. Really enjoy this Coleus. Once again, the details on this Coleus has to be planted in a part sun, part shaded area because of our extreme weather. Has to be well watered and has to be fertilized once every 2 months, you guys. Coleuses are very versatile here in FL, and I really enjoy this. And once again, this could be wintered over here in FL because we never go below 30 degrees. So that's a good thing about these Coleuses. So let's go ahead and move on to number 5. So guys, coming at number 5 is the yellow carnation from the Miracle Grow company. A little note I have for Miracle Grow is I want them to be a bit more creative for the name for this carnation. Even though it's just a yellow carnation, I want a little bit more creativity because the flower is not pure yellow. It has a few stripes of pink, so I wanted that color and involved in the name and have a little bit more like creativity behind the name, not just yellow carnation, because that could be used a lot. So have a little bit more creativity, especially when these are your plants. So that's a little note for the Miracle Grow company. Otherwise, great flower, you guys. Such a great performer, has a lot of buds, you guys. And here in FL, this carnation could be planted in a full sun location because carnations love the sun here in FL. Has to be watered well and has to be fertilized once every 1 month because they love fertilizer and they perform well with the fertilizer and they become big. So this is a great flower arrangement plant as well as the Coleuses. Great plant, you guys. Highly recommend it. Of course, pictures are going to be popping up of them. Really excited to see how this one grows. So let's move on to plant number 6. So guys, coming at number 6 is the Queen of Hearts Petunia. I love the name. Creativity has kicked in, you guys. I love it. And it matches really well with the petunia, you guys. The yellow stripes forms the red heart, which I really enjoy, you guys. Of course, there'll be pictures showing you guys it. So it's an amazing petunia. Details on the petunia, just like the previous ones. Planted in a shaded area, well watered and fertilized once every month. So it can perform great and give off a lot of bloom for you guys. So once again, this is called the Queen of Hearts Petunia. So guys, coming at number 7 is my favorite plant from all 7 plants, you guys. This is the Proven Winners Diamond Frost Euphoria, you guys. Such a difficult find here in FL. We could barely find PNW plants here in FL because most of their plants do not grow here, unfortunately. But I was able to get my hands on the Diamond Frost Euphoria, which is a classic in the Proven Winners name. And I really enjoy it, you guys. Just for you guys to be safe, this is the Proven Winners mark. Here's the container of proof and the tag is right there as well. So here's all the proof. This is the official PNW plant. So this is an amazing performer, you guys, in containers, window boxes, and hanging baskets in the ground. Anything, this would be performed great. So there's many different types of series of the Euphorbias. Of course, I'll be popping the names up and photos up for you guys. This is a great performer. This is an annual, but I will see if I'll be able to winter this over in Florida. This has to be well watered, has to be planted in a shaded area here in FL, and has to be fertilized once every month, you guys. Want this to perform great. The flowers are so delicate and I really enjoy it, you guys. So I'm really excited, you guys. Such an amazing plant. So I can't wait to see how it grows this spring season. So that's basically it for all 7 plants. The details have been told, the plant has been told, and the brand has been told. So now let's go ahead and wrap up the video. That's it for this exciting sprouting video. All 7 plants have been reviewed, have been told their details on. So hopefully you love this video. Comment down below what's your favorite plant you've seen in this entire video, and I will be liking those and loving those comments and then replying back to you guys. Just a quick notice and just a quick reminder, we are currently hosting a giveaway with the Pro Plugger Company, the Baker Creek Company, and the Life Cycle Organics Company. We're giving away 1 Pro Plugger, 3 bags of worm castings, and one $25 certificate for the Baker Creek Seed Company. 3 winners right there, you guys. So if you want to see the details on that and the video and how to enter, click the video link up here for you guys to check out. Go enter if you haven't already. Days are getting shortened. Really excited, you guys. So yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spotting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spotting video comes out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.